Frugalistas and Dumpsterinos, welcome to the video. Frugal Daddy and I are here at the Aldi dumpster. Look at this, Frugal Daddy. Maybe they, I don't think that's to dissuade dumpster divers. I think it's because
No,
the gates,
the pole's missing.
yeah, the gates swing open
Yeah,
and bang and get in the way.
Car even.
Ooh, maybe I can get through too. Ooh, okay, there's more room than I thought. Doesn't look like food. What is that?
Just my paper
Ooh,
towels
it
are cleaning
smells
through
like real trash. Ooh, I see bananas. I see bins in the back. Oof. What is that down there? Ooh, a box of saltines. Interesting. Interesting. They're small, but nice. That's gross. Oh.
that. 3 rolls.
Do you want to
Get my ladder. Yeah, I can't.
You're gonna get your
I
ladder?
don't have a key. Good thing you came because I would not be able to get in here because I need a shopping cart.
Yeah, I know. This is the place where all the shopping carts were piled up and there was garbage everywhere. I mean, it was just horrific a couple of weeks ago for quite a while. So they did a big job cleaning this up, like a big, big, big job.
Step on the saltines.
Tight-headed now, Bob? Ooh, apples.
Line upside down.
Nice. And a green pen. It's a good day's work already.
Stuff here. I don't want to step on it.
No, don't step on it.
Scared me.
It scared us all. Would you keep it down, buddy?
Yeah, find a box.
I know.
Or a bin or something.
And we found a bin for the groceries. It's a good thing to have. That's a nice, clean, new bin. Nice. Also nice.
Garlic vinaigrette.
Just find some lettuce to go with it. Oh, that's that. Excellent. time for salad. Tomato tires. A lot of real trash in the trash today. Oh, good, more lettuce. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And my plan was to go, oh nice, my plan was to go dandelion gathering for salad greens if we didn't find lettuce today. I gotta plant some lettuce seeds really soon today. And we'll have the baby lettuces.
One that looks like it was leaking.
Oh.
Can you take this?
I hate these, they're just sugar. Popcorn. Wow. Digging to the very depths. Frugal Daddy comes up with the guacamole, the applesauce, the cheese. Oh, the oatmeal creme pies. The adrenaline is flowing now, folks. Ooh, ravioli. Ooh, wait, I'm gonna drop it. Onions?
Celery heart?
Wow. I'm gonna have to start carrying some of this to the car, I think.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna find it's hard to get the bin through the opening we have. I could take that. That's crazy. It's gonna have to tip. It's not gonna fit.
You think they did it like a monkey trap?
I don't know. I can't believe he's getting the bins through. Only Frugal Daddy. And then he pokes his eye out on the wire hanger that's been unbent to create this system. Oh, did you want to do a happy dance? Get into the car. This is the heavy one. Oh, oh. All righty. Here we go, dumpsterinos and frugalistas. Here we go with the haul. Here we go, here we go. We have strawberry applesauce. We have 5 out of the 6 little cups. Perfect for your lunchbox or anytime. We have 5 of the little fruit in gel, jello type gel. Dessert cups. We have orange and strawberry.
Never mind.
Here's our little guy. Oh my God, who's the star of the show? Hi, man. Hi, guy. We have 2 boxes of saltines. Lisa, who's a budgie? We have oatmeal creme pies. That's a classic. It's like a whoopie pie sandwich with an oatmeal cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Quite nice, and quite nice frozen, actually.
I bet they are.
Yeah, it's sort of like an ice cream sandwich-ish.
Because they're very
when
moist.
it's frozen.
They'll
It
freeze
is
up
moist.
nicely.
And there's a very nice flavor to it. We have your original protein tortilla wraps. 6 in the package. So, yes, we have the sleeve of everything bagels.
So 27.
And their total carbohydrates. Oh my goodness. 50. 50 grams of carbs.
So 7's pretty good then.
Yeah, but it's not going to give you the same kind of enjoyment or the same eating experience,
Definitely
or it's not the same volume. Like, this is a much larger,
not. Mm-hmm.
better serving.
It is better.
You're
Everything bagels
much
are
better.
awesome.
You suck. The loaf of Italian bread and Swiss singles.
Ooh, Swiss.
Swiss, a package of cheese. That's a darn nice cucumber.
That is.
Some darn nice onions and little tomatoes and a few little mandarin oranges.
Mm-hmm.
Pineapple poblano guacamole. Pineapple poblano. Quick, how do you say pineapple in Spanish?
Pineapple.
I don't think that's right.
Siri,
I have no idea. I didn't take Spanish.
Poblano.
Because if you could do it all in Spanish, it'd be really cool. Like if you had pineapple in Spanish.
Pineapple poblano.
And maybe yeah, anyway. All right. Somebody
Who got
in the
Somebody got
comment section below who knows what pineapple is in Spanish.
La piña. La piña.
We have a box of baggies. Boulder brand baggies, not baggy brand baggies. Freezer bags, 30 bags. Open for some reason. Somebody took a baggie.
Yeah.
And then they're just all still in there. Like, I
kid
don't,
opened them driving by in the cart.
yeah, or something. That or something. 2 packages of the pears of Anjou. 2 packages of romaine hearts. So those will be yummy with our garlic vinaigrette. That's right, 2
is what
jars of garlic vinaigrette.
I am looking forward to.
Yes, that's your favorite thing in this haul, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Now look at all the celery. It goes all the way back to the little tomatoes. So what I think we should do with the celery, because there is so much, is dehydrate it and then grind it up and make celery salt. Ooh. Okay. Les bananes. That's right. The bananas. The gala apples. You've got your box of pop ices. Perfect for the summer to come, even though
It was thrown probably because of one spilling,
one tour.
but they're all there. I'm just
Except
going to
for
wash
that
them
one.
off in the sink and
Yeah.
throw them in the freezer.
I have to admit that I'm not a fan.
90 calories. Wow.
Because it's a tube of sugar water.
No, that's 4 pops. What's 90 divided by 4? Quick.
22.5.
Is it?
I don't know. What was I dividing? We have 5 packages of lasagna. No.
No.
We have 5 packages of ravioli. I was telling Frugal Daddy we should layer them in a pan and turn them into a lasagna. I got confused. Okay, so 2 spinach and mozzarellas and 3 5 cheeses.
Hey, can we make this a lava lamp? That'd be funny.
That would be like really fun to make a lava lamp. And we have 2 of them, so that we'd have a matching set. We can turn them. It's like turn that into a lava lamp, but then that becomes the base of an actual lamp with a lampshade. Lava lamps that are lamps. They don't have that. We just invented that. Don't you think that's an excellent idea?
Yeah, like
a lava lamp. A lava lamp. Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
A lava lamp.
Yeah.
Copyright that. We haven't had a copyright in a long time. Lamp. All right. And the final find du jour are these 2 bins. And I was thinking that they were going to be broken.
Well,
And they're not. Oh, one has a
one has
little
a
hole
hole
in
in
the
it.
back.
But
So
that's
that
okay.
wouldn't be a good litter box. The other
Well,
one could be.
no.
But it would be fine for, let's say, storing away Christmas tablecloths or something like that. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like, that's...
Yeah, or putting them in the back of the car so I can get more of this.
More of this. Yeah, you could. You
be nice
could.
shopping bags.
Yes, they would be very good for that. Trivia time.
The #1 recycled product in the world.
Okay, I'm going to say water bottles.
Water bottles, you would think? Maybe glass
Tires.
or tires.
Clothing.
Asphalt.
Asphalt. What do they turn asphalt into? More asphalt?
More asphalt.
It's
Yeah.
grind it up and pave again? Well, it's like,
Just imagine how much asphalt they do.
but
I
that's,
think like #2 is concrete.
well, that's interesting. Did you hear that on NPR?
Probably. Maybe I just made it up in my head. I don't know. Let's look it up. I think it's true.
Yeah, we better verify.
Yeah, did I
Not that we don't trust
did
you,
I feel confident?
Frugal Daddy.
Did I look confident when I said it?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did too.
You did too?
Yeah, I did too.
You look confident. I did too.
Okay.
For Helen's pick of the day, you can see what great taste she's got. She chose the double pack of cheesecake, which did have a lid. Frugal Daddy popped it off by mistake. But look at that delicious looking raspberry swirl cheesecake. And try not to notice the Halloween paper plate. She likes Halloween. I don't know. What can you say? Thanks, Helen. See you next time.
All right, Dumpstrinos and Frugalistas, that brings us to the end of the video. So we'll take one last look at the haul and Frugal Daddy and the Doggerinos while we say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you again soon on our next dumpster diving adventure video. I hope. Until then, please stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay in that dumpster, stay out of jail. And for all that is holy, please stay freaking frugal. We love you. Mwah! See you soon. Bye.